Yo, what's up guys, it's Chocolate from the Roundup, and today we're back at SSD. We're doing a chicken connoisseur parody video, and we start off with the prep check.
It's going down for real.
So the meal I ordered was the chicken fillet burger, niblets and chips, and of course the drink. The bossman didn't let us record in the shop, so we'll take that into account when we actually do the review, so we're gonna review it right here. The niblets were very nice, and I could tell Bossman marinated them, so I give them a 5 out of 5. So the chips were very dead, and they tasted crusty like my nan's toast, so I'll give them a 1.5. The burger assembly was on point, but the actual burger itself tasted like shit. Overall, this shop is, it's not the best, but, it's kind of shit. And, the only thing which I liked was the niblets and the drink. And to that owner, he didn't let us record in the shop, so I will batter you. I know where you live, so yeah, that's it. It's been the Brown Dem, and hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe for further more content. Peace.